Hello and welcome to a Dead by Daylight episode. In this episode, we'll be playing The Artist for the first time. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you at the end. Alright, we're here. Hold up. Why is the game not showing? It was showing 5. There we go.
You did it.
I did it.
So proud.
We're gonna play as killer at least 1 or 2 games, and then we'll see. I'm not the greatest killer, so we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna start with
No, but
our...
you're pretty good. We're getting skull fucked by Megs in survivor mode, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, we were. That was it. That was interesting and didn't
Doesn't matter
go
who the
well.
fuck's playing. Every Meg just fucking was like, "Hey, I brought you a friend."
Next.
See, it used to be common practice to run at your teammates in old Call of Duties when you were being attacked by a predator missile. That's what it felt like.
That's great.
I say common practice. Tyler did that. So
Yeah, it's great. Anyway, I'm gonna start with the artist. I know nothing. I played 1 match with the artist, and I had
a cheater. Is that right?
Yeah, I had a cheater, and we're just gonna go with it and hope for the best. Who knows? Who knows?
Sure it'll be fine.
Anyway.
If not, it'll be hilarious.
I mean, literally, I could have no perks right now, nothing. We're just gonna go with it. Yeah. Let's go.
Baby artist. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. I just like her look.
Alright. She is very cool.
Mm-hmm.
Her lore's cool and her map is cool, if not very useful.
Very barren, yeah. Oh no. Why? Why?
What's wrong?
I have a 10 prestige Claudette in the lobby.
Damn.
I'm gonna get fucked. An 11 prestige to what?
Well, it just means that they're very familiar with the characters. You'll be fine. You're very familiar with the artist, right?
Nope.
Ah.
I'm gonna get fucked up. Oh well.
You'll be fine.
If this doesn't go well, I'll switch over to Huntress for 1 match, and then we'll just go to Survivor.
Take your time. I'm still trying to get through this freaking level on Cyberpunk.
Okay. Indeed. But yeah, other than that 1 match recently with Artist, I haven't played Killer in ages.
Makes you feel any better? I've never played Killer.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think I played Killer twice.
Mm-hmm.
And then we did that custom match with gosh, I want to say it was Tyler, Maddie, and other Brandon.
That's something like that, yeah.
I feel like I dumpstered them.
I
didn't know about the hooks, but I know I knocked them down about 50 times. And nobody was in a hurry to tell me about the hooks. Point that out. Well, I see you're already on the hunt for some nerds. Birds of Torment. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
God, your field of view is so restricted in this. I guess it's by it's by design that it's restricted, but
Yeah.
so you can see the generators at all times.
Mm-hmm.
That's fucking nuts.
You're doing very well.
Mm.
Or not, that's cool too.
So you're just physically tormenting them. You're not actually, talking shit like I think you should be.
No. The Birds of Torment just keep them marked as for what?
Ah, as friendlies, right?
No. They just let me know they're there. Okay. Claudette did not realize I was right there.
It's alright, just, hit them.
Mm-hmm.
So are your hands like ink or bone?
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're,
what?
well, I believe ink.
Oh, okay. Do you enjoy being the killer?
Eh.
Yeah, same. It doesn't appeal to me as much as running away from the killer. Well, there is a little bit of a delay in those birds, isn't there?
You've got to launch them.
Was that person asleep?
No, they're trying to heal themselves.
Ah. I do believe this will be a big old fat hook for you.
It is.
Is the artist hard to play?
It's odd to control.
Gotcha. Did the birds go through items?
Yes.
Cool. So you can blind fire at a generator you think they might be on.
Yes. That's part of what I've been doing, is launching them.
Interesting. Okay, now I can alt F4 out of Cyberpunk. Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right now I'm fully focused. What are we killing? People?
Mm-hmm.
Like, do you actually kill them, or I mean, I feel like they're like trapped in the hell or whatever, right?
Yeah, it's a repetitive hell.
So you're really just harvesting their fear, I
Oh,
guess.
fuck that.
Sounds like a big whiff. Oh, you get another chance.
God, I hate how zoomed in it is.
Yeah. Now go tell them about it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's hook number 2 for Mr. Boyo. So I just realized you don't have hook number count on your HUD.
Just amounts.
So do you have to keep up with that yourself, or?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay. Now you're hyper focused on beating up that old man.
I had Claudette, but Claudette led me to him.
Mm-hmm. He's going. Ooh, nice hit. All right. I don't know how you hit that one, but I like it. I say this is adios Poppy for this guy.
Mm-hmm.
You're a ruthless killer, my gosh.
No mercy.
Hmm.
Can I not launch up? Hello?
I guess not. That's a little strange.
They're up.
Tires.
How do I get up? Over here. Awesome if I didn't hit every corner.
The many tragedies of our age. Sorry, are those doors like right next to each other?
Hmm.
Well, do believe this man's gonna get slapped too.
Yeah, I just have to go to a further hook is all.
Gotcha. Nice. That is hook number 2 for him. She's staying on her gen wherever she is. Oh ho ho. No, no, no. Nice. Wait, you missed. Damn.
No, I hit her. She's just fully healed.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I think that's death for her too. If I'm counting right. Maybe counting incorrectly.
I'm not sure. I think they're both on... Yeah, they're both on second hook as well. So if I hook him again...
Okay. Oh, yep, you're right. Fair enough.
He's in there. I hear him.
I mean, they should really just hide and focus a Jin.
He might be upstairs trying to focus that Jin. No, I got her off.
Should kick that one. Nice.
Thing is, they left 3 Jins right next to each other. So they're kind of easy.
Yeah, I see that. Hmm. Now, where would they have gone? I don't think they're dumb enough to go to the top floor.
I think they're just searching for another gen, not realizing there's literally none.
Yeah, it's literally just these three, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it went too far left. I saw him over there.
Yeah, you did. I saw you see him. I see you saw him.
Damn, I whipped it.
Well, hello, bird-eating friend.
I hear him.
I wonder how many people sound for in Dead by Daylight. Because to me, my character's loud as fuck, but the killers never seem to notice.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's the point, so...
That's what I'm saying. That's the point in Call of Duty, but no one sound whores anymore. It's just very rare for me to find a killer that's actually listening to audio cues. They'll listen to blood and scratch marks because those are visual, but
Mm-hmm.
at this point, you're just breaking shit for points.
Well, that's an easier way in instead of me walking all the way around.
Hmm. I mean, honestly, props to their resilience for having lasted so long. Oh, that's what it looks like to get flashlighted? Oh my gosh. Well, that's gonna be the one they're going for, then.
Thank you!
Yoink! So I believe that is death for our Zoe, is that right?
Claudette?
Claudette. Mom, I think, who is Zoe?
I don't know.
I think that's another character from another horror game. Hang on.
Mm-hmm.
I want to say from Left 4 Dead. What's up, man?
What's up, Hatch?
It is from Left 4 Dead.
Who's this hunter for killer?
Artist.
Oh. How do they work?
They shoot birds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you have
Birds.
birds. Birds.
What do the birds do?
Oh, they fly.
They mark the person. You can launch them and...
I'm in the business of being as helpful as possible.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Let me see here. Where's it?
Well, I didn't exactly expect to get a 4K on my
Yeah,
first game.
absolutely no chill. No chill you have. Yep. No chill. That's okay. You got him. And that's your first time playing? Well, no, that's your second time, but I guess first time.
First
not
time,
against cheaters.
and yeah. Well, with
Oh my God, it
one,
looks so stupid, that run. Dang-a-dang-a-dang-a-dang-a-dang-a-dang-a.
with
That's
one
what
person.
it looks like?
That's what it looks like.
Oh my God! Look at all this.
Well, you did kill literally all of them, so that does check out.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, hey, has my stream been skipping like that the whole time?
Yes.
Yes.
Why didn't you say something?
I didn't notice.
I just got here.
Oh, yes, I understand you, but...
Well, I mean, it's not doing it now. Maybe it's just when it's loading something? Oh man, that Meg had a bad day. Wow, 5K score. Good for her.
Mm-hmm. Eh. How did I do this?
Well, you slapped a bunch of people and you hung them on hooks.
I guess.
No, you did. I watched.
Birds
I mean-
were involved.
Yeah,
You did bird them.
yeah.
Hate birds.
It's just they were all kitted out and everything.
You did really well.
Yay! Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell button so you know the next time another video goes live. And I will see you next time.